In this video, we will learn how to use Microsoft Word to format a business letter. To format a business letter in Microsoft Word, first open Microsoft Word on your PC. Choose a blank document. Set the font style to be Times New Roman and the font size to 14. Also make sure the orientation is at portrait and set the page size to A4. Set up the margins to normal, that is having the top, bottom, left and right margin set to 1 inch, and set the alignment to justify. Type the sender's address followed by the date. Also type the recipient's address followed by your letter's salutation. Next is to type the caption for your letter. So type the body and closing of your letter. Finally, type the name and job title of the letter's signatory. Using the modified block letter format, select the sender's address and date. Press the Tab key on your keyboard to place this section to the right hand side of your document. At the Home tab, choose Remove Space After Paragraph and choose the line spacing to be 1.15. Also highlight the receiver's address. At the Home tab, choose Remove Space After Paragraph and choose line spacing to be 1.15. Highlight the subject of the letter and bold as well as underline. Also select the body of your letter. And adjust line spacing to 1.5. Select the name and job title of the signatory. At the Home tab, choose Remove Space After Paragraph and choose line spacing to be 1.15. Select only the name of the signatory and bold. With the steps in this video, we have successfully formatted a business letter using Microsoft Word.